When you get your building plans from Great Western, the cover page will be an isometric wireframe drawing of the building, or a 3D. Here, we outline the names for each wall. We don't use cardinal directions like you may sometimes see on architectural drawings. Down in the bottom right of the cover page, we also note the page number that each wall or frame line can be found in the drawings package itself. I'm going to start with the end walls and side walls. The end wall of a metal building can sometimes be referred to as the gable or the rake end, but not all buildings are gables. Some are gambrel, which is basically what I consider an old school barn. We also do what we refer to as a Western style, which is sometimes referred to as a raised center aisle or a clear story. So for a metal building, we define the end walls as the walls on the ends of the building. This is generally the width or the span of the building. Basically, the distance the building rafters are spanning. Whether it's a clear span or a multi-span, it doesn't matter. An easy way to remember this is that the end walls cannot get gutters, like an eave. On a normal square or rectangle building, we have two end walls, a left and a right, and we orient these based on the 3D drawing itself. The left end wall is on the left of the 3D and the right end wall is on the right side. We have similar nomenclature for the side walls. Side walls are easy if you remember that the side walls are the eave side or the side that gutters would be on if your building has them. Like the end walls, we name them based on their orientation from the 3D, front sidewall and back sidewall. The front is facing toward the bottom of the page or towards the viewer, and the back wall is facing the top of the page. When we're talking about features on an individual wall, usually framed openings or bay spacing, we generally consider the wall from left to right. The window is 6 feet from the corner, whatever. And also, we always speak about the wall as if we're on the outside of the building looking at the wall, never from the inside.